Start by cutting the posts to your preferred height, and fasten the bottom brackets 2 inches from the base plate, or no more than a 4-inch spacing. Then fasten the top bracket to the top of the post. Now, square the post to the deck where you've determined proper blocking. Then drill pallet holes and fasten the post loosely. Measure between the brackets and cut the rails to fit. Remove the plastic liners, then insert into the brackets and plumb the posts. Now fasten the rails onto the brackets. Cut the gaskets the same length and push them into the rails. Then insert a rubber block about 4 inches from the edge on both ends of the bottom rail. To order your glass, send us the exact size or the measurements between the posts and the rails. To install your glass, first insert into the top rail, then into the bottom. Make sure that the glass is centered in the frame and is fully seated on the rubber blocks. Then fasten the glass clips centered on the posts on both sides. And finish by installing the base plate covers.